Welcome everyone, and thank you so much for joining in this very important update here on price action of Bitcoin. As we can see guys, the price of Bitcoin did just like how we anticipated after breaking some key line of resistance, because on my previous video I showed you guys with so many different examples that the price has broken out of this key line of resistance. Now it could be starting with an actual bullish continuation from here on, and if you look at it right now, you can see we have made a new all-time high, prices above 81,000, and now the question is how far will this go? Because if you look at this price action of Bitcoin in a bigger time frame, according to this Wyckoff's price cycle, this bullish trend might have just started, because according to this breakout, this horizontal channel breakout from the previous high is going to start a new markup phase. And in our case, after breaking out of this previous high, you can see this markup phase might have just begun, which is clearly pointing us this bullish continuation will continue, because if you follow this price cycle, you can see we have to form a new overbought area or a distribution area to start with an actual bearish continuation. But in our case, since the price has just broken out of this previous high and has just started with this new markup phase, you can see according to this price cycle, Wyckoff price cycle, we have a long way to go. And now, beside this example, I even showed you with the help of this Madrid ribbon indicator along with this hash ribbon indicator, which was clearly giving us a buy signal. Yes guys, I was there shouting on top of my lungs that this Madrid ribbon was clearly angled upward, and we found out that when these moving averages are angled upward, it helped confirm a rising price. And along with that, we also got the confirmation from this hash ribbon indicator to the downside, because when we see this blue dot appearing, that is the final buy signal from this hash ribbon, which it gave us when the price of Bitcoin was hovering somewhere around 59,000-60,000. So now you can see this bullish continuation is continue. Price is following this Wyckoff's price cycle and even this Fibonacci channel breakout, because according to this Fibonacci channel, you can see whenever the price of Bitcoin has broken out of this resistance line, 0.5, 0.618 Fibonacci line, what has followed after that? An actual bullish continuation. Whenever we broke out of this 0.5, 0.618 Fibonacci line, we started with a very bullish move. So every time whenever this 0.5, 0.618 Fibonacci line got broken, it resulted in a very bullish move. So if you look in our case, the 0.5, 0.618 Fibonacci line has already been broken, and this is in a monthly time frame guys, which just like from this past price action could be giving us another bullish continuation, because we know beside this example, even with the help of this descending broadening wedge, I showed you this weeks, even month ago, that the price has broken out of this key trend line, which could be a formation of this bullish continuation pattern known as descending broadening wedge. And if you look at it right now, after breaking out of this previous temporary resistance line, we have started with an actual bullish continuation. So according to this descending broadening wedge, our price objective sits in between 90,000 to 100,000, because this 100,000 is also the price objective from this descending channel or a bull flag. Yes guys, this bull flag has also broken the resistance from this upper trend line, which is resulting in a continuation, a bullish continuation. And if you look at this price objective, even this price objective sits around 90 to 100,000. So I personally think if we see any sort of a weakness in the media short term after this kind of bullish move, please, I don't want you guys to panic. That might be just a temporary weakness before starting with another bullish continuation, because we know this bullish move, right, this continuation on 90 to 100,000 actually would make a lot of sense, because this USDT dominance parallelly is breaking down. Yes guys, this dominance, USDT dominance, is clearly breaking down, and we know whenever USDT starts showing weakness, we have seen a very bullish price movement playing out in Bitcoin price action or entire crypto market. So USDT dominance fading out, heading towards 2 to 3% means the upcoming days for Bitcoin actually looks very bullish, and bullish because we are also breaking out from this Bollinger Band. And I was there. I showed you guys that each and every time whenever we found out this upper trend line from this Bollinger Band got broken, we started with a very bullish move. I mean, upper band only gets broken during uptrend. So in our case, this is also a breakout from the upper band. You can see it has resulted in a bullish move. So just like what I showed you with this example, any sort of a pullback, that might be just a temporary pullback before continue with this actual bullish move here like this, because we know This 90,000, 100,000 is our price objective, because we are breaking out from the descending channel, we are breaking out from this descending broadening wedge, and now this 90,000 is also the price objective from our leading indicator. Yes, guys, for the month of November, 91,000 is our no-brainer price target, which has already been placed. And if you have watched my video from the 1st of November, I showed you guys with the help of this CPI that this CPI is an ascending CPI which only gets formed during uptrend, and now this is also going to result in a bullish continuation, which it did. We broke out of this monthly iron line, got attracted towards this R2 line, which sits around 82,300. So as soon as the price breaks out from this 82,000 resistance line, you can see the next target for this month sits around 90,000. But I personally think what could be happening here, more of a shakeout. I mean, Bitcoin could show a move like this, some more pullback, stay around this 76 to 80,000 for a while, and then finally break towards this 90,000 or in between 90 to 100,000 range. Yes, guys, this is what I see looking at the price action of Bitcoin in a different time frame using different scenario. And even with the help of this ascending channel, which is normally considered bearish. Ascending channel is a bearish continuation pattern, but in our case, we broke the upper band, came back for a retest, which acted as support, and now you can see it is resulting in a bullish move, just like as shown in an example. So even though this ascending channel is a bearish continuation pattern, it is resulting in a breakout to the upside, which is also clearly pointing us again, any sort of a pullback in the immediate short term will be looked as a temporary pullback before expecting another continuation like this. And I personally think the 90,000 will be tested during this bull market, and only after that we are going to look some of the bearish scenario. But until then, we are expecting this bullish continuation to continue. Yes, guys, until we reach this 90 to 100,000 price objective from this descending channel, descending broadening wedge, even from this CPI indicator, our leading indicator, we are going to remain bullish, and any sort of a weakness, any sort of a pullback will be just a temporary pullback. So guys, these were some of the quick updates that I wanted to share with you in this video. If you enjoyed my work, then please do not hesitate to destroy that like button, and to those individuals watching this are the first time to hit that subscribe button. And also a quick reminder, if you haven't claimed this free bonuses from Bybit, Phemex, OKX, then please check the video description, because these events are temporary, and if you want to trade with free money, use this market volatility in your favor, then definitely grab this opportunity. And by saying this, I'm signing out until next time. Bye bye.